Hi there. Changes are underway as we head into the weekend. We're going to see a lot more cloud, milder conditions, but a lot of dry weather as well. It's been a cold day in places, mainly the northeast of Scotland, where there have been some wintry showers around. Those showers largely fading away as we go into Thursday night, but some more persistent damp weather arriving into the north and northwest of Scotland and later for western parts of Northern Ireland. This is all associated with a change in wind direction. Southwesterlies replacing the west-northwesterlies, and as a result, a lot of cloud and a mild night to come in the north. But further south, we've got light winds, we've got clear spells, and it's another very chilly one actually for southern parts of England, South Wales, with temperatures widely below freezing and in some shelter spots, -7 possible. That cold air in the south is because we're under this high pressure, so light winds, clear spells. But actually for much of the UK, we've got a mild airflow going into Friday, in between a warm front and a cold front, this broad warm sector. In the winter, this brings a lot of cloud. It'll also be a blustery day on Friday, some strong gusty winds affecting the higher parts of Scotland and northern England in particular. Also be a lot of cloud in the forecast, particularly for northern and western England, Wales, some dampness over the hills at times, and some more persistent rain moving its way from northwest into central parts of Scotland for a time. The wettest weather, though, for the western hills of Scotland. That gusty wind coming in as well, but helping to break up the cloud for northeastern parts of Scotland, and there'll be some bright spells remaining for the southeast of England. Otherwise, a lot of cloud on the map, more so compared with Thursday. Temperatures on the whole 9 to 11 Celsius. However, 12 or 13 Celsius is possible somewhere like the Moray Coast or eastern parts of Aberdeenshire if the cloud breaks up, if we get some warming of the winds over the higher ground. Into Friday evening, we keep the cloudy skies by and large, but some thinning of the clouds across central and southern parts of the UK will allow a touch of frost to form by Saturday morning. More generally, I suspect, in southern parts of the UK, we'll see a lot of low cloud, particularly for Wales and the southwest, so gloomy conditions rather than particularly bright and frosty conditions first thing Saturday. A lot of that low cloud sticking around through the best part of the morning, and some low cloud covering the hills of western Scotland as well, where there'll be some drizzle, a few spots of drizzle further south across Wales and the southwest first thing Saturday. But these are the exceptions on Saturday because for much of the UK, it's relatively dry. There's a good deal of cloud, yes, but through the afternoon, the cloud will break up in places. Two notable locations for the cloud to break up, South Wales and southwest England, some sunny spells coming through, and perhaps parts of eastern Scotland, where the cloud will be broken up as it moves over the land to the west and to the southwest. Where we do see some cloud breaks, 12, possibly even 13 Celsius in the south coast, 11 or 12 for parts of northeast Scotland. Otherwise, more generally, 9 to 11 degrees, so above average. And if we get some sunshine with light winds and those kinds of temperatures, feeling positively spring-like. Then into Sunday, more of the same really, some fog and frost to start the day, but otherwise for many it's a dry, fine, and largely cloudy but mild day.